Yung quorum po ba at ang vote requirement, parehas lang po ba yun?
Iba yun. Ang quorum, ito yung minimum number of members of the legislative body who must be present in order to transact business. Kung, for example, 24, 13, kailangan 13 to transact business. Yun ang tinatawag na quorum. Ang votes requirement, depende yan sa ating saligang batas kung ilang boto ang requirement. Sa mga normal naman, majority of those who are present. For example, to have a motion, mga resolution, majority of those who are present. But may mga specific na kailangan na hindi lang majority of those who are present. Kung hindi, lahat. For example, yung pag-expel ng isang congressman or pag-expel ng isang senador, 2/3 of all the members of the Senate or 2/3 of all the members of the House of Representatives. Number 2, yung tinatawag na may desisyon na ang presidente na i-veto ang isang batas, kailangan nilang i-override ang veto na yan, kailangan 2/3. 2/3 of the Senate and 2/3 of the House of Representatives voting separately. Yung tinatawag na to declare a state of war, 2/3 din ang kailangan. Or number 4, to amend or revise the Philippine Constitution. To call for a constitutional convention, 2/3. Kung sila na ang Senado na at Congress ang mag-conduct ng to amend the Constitution,
Con-as.
3/4 ang kailangan. Or impeachment, kailangan ng 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. Yun ang kailangan sa voting requirement sa mga special na activities na kalagay po sa ating saligang batas. But, sabi ko nga, iba ang voting requirement kasi number of votes kailangan. Iba naman yung quorum kasi ang quorum kailangan majority of the entire membership in order to officially transact official business. Yun yan.